Welcome, traders, to another Tickmill trading update with me, Patrick Munley. Want to wrap up the week here looking at the major US indices, and we're going to identify some potential trade levels heading into the Friday session here. First of all, we're going to start with the emini Sp500 futures contract, and on the intraday hourly time frame, tracking a potential triangle here, looking for an upside extension through the triangle resistance. So as we hold the midpoint 49.10, we look for a break to retest price cycle highs 49.33, and then as the triangle prior resistance acts as support, we are going to look for an extension up into 49.45. And if we continue to extend, the principal upside objective is going to be a 49.55 to 49.66 level. Now, I want to pay close attention as we trade into that area. 49.66 is weekly projected range resistance. 49.58 is the weekly R2. You can see we have some potential momentum divergence developing. So I'll be watching for bearish reversal patterns there to re-engage on the short side, initially targeting a move back to the apex of the triangle and a retest of 49.10. The bearish scenario is that we take out triangle support here. We tested it a couple of times yesterday, found bids at that 4900 level. But if we take out 4900, then we are going to be looking to the short side through a break of 48.80s. Initially looking for a retest of that 49.75, then in extension, we would look for a move down into that 49.30, 49.40, which is the weekly bull bear zone to retest from above. Moving to the Nasdaq. Nasdaq looking a little bit weaker at the moment. Obviously, we had Intel out with earnings last night and didn't do much to enthuse bulls really with their earnings. As we maintain resistance at the 17,590 level, potential for a downside extension to retest the 17,000, just above the 17,000 level from above, before we look for new buyers to potentially step in. The bullish scenario would be that we get a close through the trendline resistance here, back through 17,700. And at that stage, then we'd want to be long the market, looking for an extension up into the 18,000 level. But similarly there, watch for momentum divergence as we test into that zone, as the potential that we get a decent pullback from that level to certainly retest price cycle highs, 17,788. Moving to and finishing with the Dow Jones. Dow looking to break out. So looking for a close back through 38,230 for an upside extension, initially targeting the 127 extension of this consolidation zone, which would see us trading at the 38,400 level. Cognizant we have a weekly R1, 38,340. So pay attention there. Bearish reversal patterns, if we maintain momentum divergence, could cap the upside, but I'd be looking for an extension into weekly projected range resistance at the 38,500 before once again looking for a pullback to retest the 38,000 level from above. Bearish scenario obviously would be a close back through the 38,000 level, would suggest that we extend lower to retest support into the 37,900. Daily projected range support 37,887, and through there we look for weekly projected range support back into 37,700s. As always, traders, plan the trade, trade the plan, and most importantly, manage your risk. Until next time, thanks very much.